Welcome to Forest Creek Apartments. We have this 1 bedroom, 1 bath on the 2nd level, available for immediate move-in. As you enter the apartment, you enter into your living room, dining room combination. You have a pass-through bar with available seating for bar stools. We do have central AC in all our units. Your kitchen does come upgraded with updated appliances, dishwasher, updated faucets. The kitchen in this 1 bedroom does have a pantry for storage. All our units do come with a washer dryer inside your unit. The areas in the kitchen and in the bathroom are porcelain tile. You have a spacious bathroom with medicine cabinet and upgraded light fixtures as well as faucets. In your bedroom, you have a nice sized space bedroom with plenty of light. You have a sliding glass door, which does lead to your balcony. You can access the balcony from the living room using that door or from your bedroom using the sliding doors. Come take a tour today and experience Forest Creek Apartments.